Hi everybody, I'm back and welcome to the co-main event of night 2 of JackSlam. Introducing first, she is the wife of Count Z, Goddess of Pain. Introducing next, she is the wife of Paul Utaker. She is Celine Utaker. And her opponent from Toronto, Ontario, Canada. From Paris, France, sorry. She is Carmelita Fox. And now, introducing, she is the reigning and defending JWE Women's World Champion and one half of the JWE Women's Tag Team Champions, Dorothy Davis. Now Dorothy's got 2 belts. Will she lose one here tonight? We'll find out. And here we go. Carmelita and Goddess are going at it. Celine and Dorothy are going at it here. Celine's over the top. Celine Utaker, survives. Celine Utaker has not been eliminated yet. Goddess and Carmelita going at it here. Goddess is in trouble. Getting chopped. Chopped like broccoli. Goddess in the corner. Still getting chopped. Now Carmelita picks Goddess up. She's on top of the turnbuckle. Can Goddess survive here? Or will she get dumped over the top? Oh, Goddess survives. The Goddess of Pain survives. Carmelita now gets a neck breaker by Goddess. Carmelita, gets thrown down. Dorothy's getting her booty. What a kick. Celine picks Dorothy up. Drops her down like a sack of potatoes. Carmelita's going after Celine now. Carmelita, that's gotta hurt. She needs a leg surgeon after that. Right now. Goddess is punching on Dorothy here. Dorothy's in trouble. Celine now against the ropes. Goddess picks her up. Celine is over the top, but she's not out. She has not been eliminated. Celine Utaker is still in this. She's fighting. Dorothy's in trouble as well. Goddess with a drop kick. Goddess now and Carmelita. I thought Goddess reversed that, but she didn't. Goddess is crawling over to the bottom turnbuckle. Dorothy now. Carmelita's got Dorothy punched in the back of the head. Down goes Goddess. Goddess now. Into the corner. Carmelita now picks up Goddess. Can Goddess survive here again? Or will she be gone? Goddess survives. Goddess of Pain survives. Dorothy Davis is out. Dorothy Davis has been eliminated. We're going to have a new champion here tonight, folks. Which one of these 3 women is walking out with the gold? Will it be Goddess of Pain, Celine Utaker, or Carmelita Fox? Which one? Goddess is getting her booty whooped. Alley-oop. Down goes Carmelita. Carmelita's back on her feet now. Celine punched her right in the face. What a back body drop there. Celine's back on her feet now. Falling over the top. Celine is eliminated. Celine Utaker has been eliminated. We're down to 2. We're down to Goddess of Pain and Carmelita Fox. Which one of these 2 women is walking out of here with the gold? Dorothy's still the JWE Women's Tag Team Champion. One half of the JWE Women's Tag Team Champs. Oh, say hello to top turn buckle. Carmelita now has Goddess by the leg. Can she hoist her up? No, she cannot. Carmelita now is in trouble. Say hello to top turn buckle. Carmelita's in trouble now. Goddess is picking her up. Can Carmelita survive here? Come on, Carmelita, survive. Come on, Carmelita. You got this, girl. Yeah, Carmelita survives. She survives Goddess. Goddess now in trouble. Carmelita. Carmelita has done it. Here's your winner. And the new JWE Women's World Champion, Carmelita Fox. Congratulations, Carmelita. She has done it. We'll be back. I'll be back.